So let's solve our next problem, which is again on the concept of area, and that was asked in the year 2002. Okay, so let's understand what is being given here. In the following figure, the area of the isosceles right angle triangle ABE is 7 square centimeter. If EC is equals to 3B, then the area of the rectangle ABCD in square centimeter is. Okay, so how will I start with this? I know that it's an isosceles right angle triangle, so I know that this angle here is equals to 90. Okay, and we are talking about this yellow triangle here. Okay, that's an isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so what do I know? This side is equal to this side. Right, so if this is x, this is also equal to x, and the area of that is given to me as 7 square centimeter, and I am being asked what is area of the rectangle. Okay, so very simple problem. As you can understand, the area of the rectangle is what? That will be equal to AB into BC. Okay, that will be my area of the rectangle, but it is being given to me that something about B and EC. Okay, there was an E here that was missing, so I just write it now. Now I'm being told that EC is equals to 3 into B. Okay, so I'll put this as, okay, AB into BC. I will write this as BE plus EC. Okay, can I do this? Yes, because BC is actually BE plus EC. Okay, now what will I do this here? So I'll write this as AB into, this is B. Okay, EC is equals to 3 into B. So I will write this as 3 into B. So 3 into B, if I put this here, this is 3B. So 3B plus B, this becomes 4B. So this becomes 4 into B. Okay, in case you are wondering why am I doing this? Because I know the area of this triangle. What is area of this triangle? Half into B into AB. Right, because it's a right angle triangle, half into base into height is its area. So I will write this as the area of this triangle is equals to half into AB into B, and that is given to me as 7 square centimeter. This tells me that AB into B is equals to 7 into 2, 14. If I need to find out the area of this rectangle, I need to know what is AB into B, right? AB into B is equals to 14, and this 4 comes here. So 14 into 4, answer is 56. That is option number D is your answer to this question. Okay, so a very simple question that has to be solved in the exam. So let's see our next problem in quadrilaterals. So this is from the type of perimeter. So as you must have understood by now, we are solving a mixed type of area and perimeter. Okay, what else they can ask you? You have to understand, as I took it in the first part, either they will ask you to find out angles or the area or the perimeter. Okay, what else can they do? So that's why we are coming up with these two types. One is of area, other is of perimeter. So this problem was asked in the year CAT 2002. Okay, so let's understand what is being given here. In order to cover less distance, a boy, rather than going along the longer and the shorter length of the rectangular path, goes by the diagonal. So a boy is traveling, rather than going by the length and the breadth, he travels by the diagonal. The boy finds that he saved a distance equal to half the longer side. The ratio of length and the breadth is. So when he traveled by the diagonal, okay, he saved time. How much of time he saved? That saved time is equal to half of the length of the longer side. That's what you have to understand. Okay, so but what is the best way to solve? Now again, students can make mistake here by taking certain variables. Okay, you don't have to take any variables here. Solve this problem in 30 seconds. Just think in the simplest possible way. Take values. Where will I take values from? Option. Option will give you the values. Each option you can manipulate and reach on to the answer in 10 seconds. Okay, so let's think about it in this way. So I would say that what now, this is the diagonal. So this is a rectangle, and let me make this to be as a diagonal of this rectangle. What are the two sides? So I know Pythagoras triplet will come here. Okay, why? Because this angle here is 90. So if this angle here is 90, Pythagoras triplet has to come into picture. And I can see a Pythagoras triplet here, 3 and then 4. So I would say let the longer side be equal to 4, and let the shorter side be equal to 3. Then the hypotenuse will automatically become equal to 5 because it's a Pythagoras triplet, 3, 4, 5. So this will automatically become equal to 5. check if it satisfies your condition. If it doesn't, that's not your answer then. So how much of time he saved? If he would have traveled from here, he would have taken 7 hours, right? 7 hours to go from length and breadth. But now he traveled by diagonal, so now he is taking 5 hours. He saved how many hours? He saved 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2 hours he saved. That 2 hours he saved, is it half of the longer side? It is. The longer side is 4 and half of that is equal to 2. So that is your answer, option number C.